7 boxes just showed up, and every single one claims it's built for the Fold 8 Ultra. Not the regular Fold 8, not last year's Fold 7. Those are two completely different phones now, with two completely different case shapes, so if you've been confused shopping for one of these, you're not alone. Let's open all 7 and see what actually ships inside.
1. PITAKA Edge Case. Caseless feeling, aramid, black/gray twill. First box is PITAKA, and you can tell by the weight before you even open it. Barely anything moves inside. This is their edge case, the ultra-slim aramid fiber line they're known for. Aramid fiber is the same fiber family used in body armor and aerospace parts, woven here into a thin shell instead of molded plastic, which is why PITAKA cases feel more like a woven fabric than a hard case. It's rated for MagSafe use through PITAKA's own magnetic film built into the case, so their Mag-Easy chargers and car mounts snap on. What you will not get here is a screen protector, a kickstand, or heavy drop protection. This is a scratch and scuff case for people who want the phone to still feel like a Fold 8 Ultra in the hand. If you're rough on your phone, this isn't the one. If you want the thinnest possible layer with a genuinely premium texture, this is exactly that. 2. BENKS ArmorGrid Grand Combo Kevlar Case Set. Second box is a lot heavier, and that's because BENKS didn't just ship a case. This is their Grand Combo, a 3-piece kit with a Kevlar back case, a matching front frame, and their Glass Warrior HD screen protector already cut for the Fold 8 Ultra's cover screen. The case itself uses genuine, licensed Kevlar fiber over the hinge, so instead of leaving that fold point bare like a lot of slim cases do, it's actually covered. It's built with a magnetic array for MagSafe accessories, and BENKS states it still allows full wireless charging with the case on. The catch with any 3-in-1 kit like this is installation. You're doing the front frame, then the screen protector, then the back case in sequence, so it's not a 10-second unbox and done situation. If you want hinge coverage most slim cases skip entirely, this earns its size. 3. Ringke Fusion Clear. This one's a shift in direction. Clear hard case instead of woven fiber or Kevlar. Ringke's Fusion Clear pairs a polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU bumper around the edges, and it keeps a low-profile, open-hinge design so the fold mechanism isn't boxed in. It's meant to preserve how the phone actually opens and closes, rather than adding a shell around the hinge. It's built for MagSafe compatibility, and Ringke includes strap holes on the frame if you use a wrist strap or crossbody case setup. The obvious thing to watch with any clear case is yellowing over time. Ringke doesn't oversell this one as anti-yellowing tech, so treat it as a case that'll look great out of the box and worth checking back on in a few months. If you actually want to show off the Fold 8 Ultra's design instead of hiding it, this is the one that does that. 4. SUPCASE UB Stand Clear. Now we're into rugged territory. SUPCASE's UB stand is a heavy-duty case built specifically for the Fold 8 Ultra, not a repurposed older Fold case, and it's a clear design, so you still see the phone through the protection instead of it disappearing under solid plastic. The stand in the name means there's a built-in kickstand, which matters a lot on a Fold since propping the inner screen up for video calls or watching something is one of the main reasons people buy these phones. SUPCASE builds this as a 2-layer setup, hard shell plus a shock-absorbing layer, which is where the bulk comes from. This is not the case for someone chasing thin. It's the case for someone who wants the phone to survive a drop onto concrete and still be able to prop it up on a desk afterward. 5. TORRAS Magnetic Slim Matte Black. Last box, and TORRAS goes a different route than everyone else here. This is their magnetic slim case, matte black, and it ships with 2 screen protectors already in the box instead of 1, both precision cut for the Fold 8 Ultra's cover display. TORRAS uses an adhesive-free hinge design, meaning the hinge cover isn't glued down, which is meant to keep the fold action smooth over time instead of gunking up. It's rated for MagSafe accessories, and TORRAS backs it with what they call Care Plus, a 365-day protection plan on the case itself. At just over a millimeter thick by their spec, it's one of the slimmer options in this whole box haul, but it still includes hinge coverage most ultra-thin cases skip. If you want slim and MagSafe ready without giving up hinge protection, this is where that combination shows up. So that's all 7. PITAKA if you want the case to basically disappear. Ringke. Fusion Clear if you want to actually show off the phone. SUPCASE UB Stand if you're prioritizing drop protection and a built-in kickstand. TORRAS if you want slim with hinge coverage still included. And the 3 BENKS Grand Combos if you want the case, frame, and screen protector handled in one box. Full hands-on tests, drop results, and which one I'm actually keeping on my phone, that's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment if you want me to test the hinge protection on any of these specifically.